dangers of disposing toxic waste in volcanoes. Volcanoes, the Earth's fiery giants, have captivated human imagination for centuries. But beyond their awe-inspiring beauty lies a stark reality: the potential consequences of using them as a solution for disposing of toxic waste. As our world grapples with the growing challenge of toxic waste disposal, some have suggested utilizing the immense heat and power of volcanoes to eliminate hazardous materials. However, this approach is far from a silver bullet, and here's why. Volcanoes are complex systems with intricate underground networks. Injecting toxic waste into them could trigger unforeseen reactions. Injecting toxic waste into a volcano could potentially interact with minerals and gases, resulting in chemical reactions that release harmful compounds into the atmosphere or groundwater. The heat within a volcano is not a guarantee that toxic waste will be completely destroyed. Some substances might survive and be released back into the environment. The extreme temperatures inside a volcano can vary, and not all substances break down completely. This could lead to the release of partially treated waste that still poses a threat to human health and the environment. Volcanoes are unpredictable. Eruptions can occur unexpectedly, potentially releasing the stored waste along with the natural volcanic materials. Volcanic eruptions can happen without warning, and any waste stored within the volcano could be ejected, spreading hazardous materials over large areas, affecting ecosystems and communities. The ecosystems around volcanoes are delicate. Introducing toxic waste could disrupt these ecosystems, leading to long-term ecological damage. Volcanic environments often harbor unique species that are adapted to extreme conditions. Injecting toxic waste can disrupt these ecosystems, leading to biodiversity loss and ecological imbalances. Proper waste management is essential. Relying on volcanoes might divert resources from developing safer disposal methods and recycling practices. Turning to volcanoes as waste disposal solutions could hinder progress in developing more sustainable and controlled methods, perpetuating the cycle of unsustainable waste generation. While the idea of using volcanoes to dispose of toxic waste may seem alluring, it's crucial to consider the intricate complexities of these geological systems. The potential risks, including environmental damage, human health hazards, and long-term ecological consequences, cannot be overlooked. As we navigate the challenges of toxic waste disposal, the need for responsible waste management practices and innovative solutions remains paramount. For beneath the surface of these fiery giants lies a reminder of our duty to protect the planet we call home.